Here at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Land Rover Discovery R-Dynamic HSE finished in the very stylish Yulong White. Comes equipped with a stunning diamond turned alloys, as well as it being a 3 litre diesel. Comes with a rear privacy glass working well with that white finish. And the practicality of the vehicle now, it does come with 7 seats. When these are lowered, you've got a huge amount of boot space there. With the Ebony light oyster leather interior, very comfortable to be in. Outer rear heated seats there as well. With a Meridian surround sound system sounding fantastic throughout the vehicle, and a very well presented dashboard, I'm sure you'll agree. This vehicle does come equipped with a sliding front and fixed panoramic sunroof. Taking a seat inside now, you've got ease of access to the navigation system, as well as your 3D surround camera, which works in hand with your front and rear parking aid, ensuring full confidence. You've got ease of access to a huge range of other features. These do include your climate front seats, perfect for use all year round. And for more information regarding this vehicle, please give us a call on 01228 599 000. Thank you.